Hey guys! Goody, hi Bariu. Hi Bariu. Hi, say hi. Hi. What about you? Hi Bariu, hi. Hi. So today is a special day for us because we are gonna do Ima's mundan ceremony. It's not like ceremony or something like that, just because she has completed her 1 year. So we are just gonna do mundan for her. I'm like pretty much excited, as well as I am very nervous for it because I'm not sure how she's gonna react while we are gonna do mundan, because she doesn't even like having a clip or like a hairband anything on her head. At that point itself, she just throws away. So we are all ready. Nothing much is gonna happen. We are gonna go to temple, and maybe we will do mundan ceremony from there itself. Else we will call someone to home and do the mundan. That's what we have planned. ಇಲ್ಲ it's okay. ಹಿಡಿದೋಕು. Say bye 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 bye. Okay, we are heading towards temple. So say bye ma. Ta ta ta. Flying kiss ಉಡ್ಕೊ, flying kiss. ಅಮ್ಮಚಿಗೆ ಕಿಶಿ ತರು, ಕಿಶಿ. ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಶಿ ತರು, ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕಿಶಿ ತರು. ಅಮ್ಮಚಿಗೆ ಕಿಶಿ ತರ. Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Hey guys, so we are back and look at Ima with no hair. Ima baby, where's your hair? Aww. No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I shouldn't have asked this. She's just like this, guy. She absolutely hates to have anything on her head. Okay, Amma will help you. Amma will help you. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I will take it off. Hi. Da. Look at her. This is so soft. So the mundan went really well. She was like very, very cooperative. I thought that she would be like really cranky and fussy. She wouldn't let us allow to touch her head. It's usually like that, but she didn't have any problem, and it was like really good. So now we are going out for a little bit of shopping as well as for lunch. Yeah? Amma. Kishi deru, kishi. So I thought that I will take you guys along with me. So let's go. I'm going to say bye. Say bye. 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 Pari. Bye guys. we reached back home and Ima is sleeping now, and I thought that I will show you guys what I shopped from Big Bazaar. By the way, I didn't vlog, I think. We went to Big Bazaar and shopped a bit, and after that we went to a park, but then it was like really sunny, so we didn't stay there for long, and then we went to a hotel and had amazing lunch. So I will show you guys what I shopped from Big Comb, a travel comb, a loofah, band and shampoo. I haven't used this shampoo till now. I wanted to use this beer shampoo for a while because I have heard good things about this shampoo, so I thought of giving it a try. Here is a chocolate body wash, and this is a like a moisturizer. These things are something which I'm gonna leave it over here itself in Palakkad. I always keep one set of things for myself, Ima and my husband here at Palakkad, as well as Thrissur, that is my parents' place, so that whenever we are traveling to hometown we need not take the whole stuff once again. And here is the exciting stuff, guys. Even though she is not gonna brush, I thought that it would be like really nice to have a brush for her. The actual MRP is like $3.99, and I think I got it for like let me check. I have no idea, guys. I think it's like around 200. This top is like 250 or 260. So it's like really nice, nothing special, but the material is like really soft, so I got this. And again, another one, this is of cotton materials. The last one was like stretchable material, this one is like cotton material. Again, it's like good one. It was for $5.99 and it had like 40% discount, so it's like again like nice cotton material, very soft. And this one is something I absolutely loved. Again, this one is for like $5.99 but had like discount. It's like sleeveless but has got sleeves inside. If I want, I can attach the sleeve. Here there is a tie-up and there's a tassel. So tassel is like very much in fashion right now, and I really like the print, and also material is like really soft. Size small is like pretty large for me, so this is the size extra small. So it was like limited collection in the size extra small, so I could manage to get only this much. Even though this is the size extra small, I think I need to alter this. I'm gonna alter this once I reach Goa. This one is like jeggings, very stretchable material. I got it in size like 28, even though my size is like 26. 26 is like very tight when it comes, like leg part is like very tight when it is like 26, which I really do not like. So 28 is a little loose for me, but like very comfortable. So I took in the size 28. So that's all I shopped from Big Bazaar. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this vlog. I see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.